Hello everyone. Volkswagen has unveiled a beefed-up version of its electric minivan, the ID.Buzz. The new product, dubbed the ID.Buzz GTX, gets a twin-motor powertrain from the previously unveiled ID.7 GTX station wagon. The system is rated at 335 horsepower. Even taking into account the fact that this is a rather heavy electric car, the dynamics are very decent. 6.5 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour. But there are other bonuses from the powerful system and all-wheel drive. The top speed is increased to 160 kilometers per hour, or 100 miles per hour. The weight of the towed trailer has increased to 1,800 kilograms, depending on the wheelbase and capacity of the traction battery. The minibus comes standard with all-wheel drive thanks to 2 electric motors. Customers can choose between a version with a standard wheelbase combined with a 79 kilowatt-hour battery, and a model with an extended wheelbase that benefits from a higher useful energy content of 86 kilowatt-hours. Unfortunately, Volkswagen didn't see fit to tell us about the ID.Buzz GTX's power reserve. Apparently, there is nothing much to please here in this regard. The maximum charging power will depend on the battery pack. The smaller unit supports 185 kilowatts, while the upgraded pack can take 200 kilowatts. The main battery takes about 25 minutes to charge from 10 to 80%, while the larger battery takes less than 30 minutes. Like the other GTX models, the high-performance ID.Buzz gets a number of styling tweaks with updated bumpers, honeycomb grille, and a bright cherry color. There are also exclusive standard 19-inch wheels that are offered along with 2 additional sets of new 21-inch alloy wheels. It's further highlighted by those boomerang-shaped lower headlights, as well as dark accents, black headliner, and sport seats. Otherwise, the family truck has a slightly larger 12.9-inch touchscreen, a new optional projection display, and backlit touch sliders for air conditioning and volume. Opt for the long wheelbase model, and VW will offer its largest ever panoramic sunroof, which turns from opaque to transparent at the touch of a button, for an extra charge. VW will bring the electric van to the United States later this year exclusively with a longer wheelbase, 3-row seats, an 86 kilowatt-hour battery, but no GTX badge. The equivalent US model will have twin engines and all-wheel drive. The US model will be imported from Hanover, Germany. The price for the all-wheel drive version of the ID.Buzz GTX is expected to start at 50,000. What do you think of this car? Write what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.